And while I'm at it, when we're washing the car and the doors are nice and open, I'll get the cabin air filter replaced. I'm pretty sure it's dirty and has not been replaced ever, so let's see how that looks. And this here is the accompanying cleaning fluid and refresher, so we might spray some of that before we put it in, but I'll show you how we will do that in a tick. So hopefully we'll get that done today as well. It's a very easy install, it's just basically behind the glove box. But yeah, oh yeah, we'll just give you this too. That's the part number, and this is for the Toyota 86. Mine's a GTS spec 2013. But they're pretty much the same right up to 2016 as far as I know. But yeah, please double check before you do. And these are just your generic cleaner, refresher, recharger kits as well, which should be available in any auto store. Although I did get this one online, so it was, I think it was $20 free postage or something, so cheap. Okay guys? Alright. You know what guys, I decided let's just get this air filter done before I wash the car. We're probably going to be too exhausted to be bothered. So what we're going to do is remove the glove box. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Okay, there's a little strut down here. This one here, we just got to push it out this way. Like so. And then we have to push this and this in. So I'll probably need 2 hands to do this one. Sure it goes there. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, let's get back in here. So, yeah, this damper looks like it just hooks on here. It just kind of fell off. So I just had to reinstall that. I'm not quite sure where this one goes. We'll figure that out later. This is your hidden power socket too, in case anyone was wondering. Actually pull that out. It's actually in pretty good condition. I'm just going to keep it in there because I like my plugs where they are. This is the filter we're talking about, so we'll just push one here in and push this one in, pull it out carefully, and my front door just slammed. So you can see how dirty that is. We're just going to pull that out carefully. Notice that the arrow is pointing up, but the K&N one that I have is actually pointing down, which we're talking about which way the air is flowing, not how it's actually positioned. So you just got to check which ones you get. Okay, just pull this out. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, no way. See, they're still recording. You see in that. Probably closer than I can. That's gross. Let's take this outside and have a look. Yeah. Well, this side's pretty nice. Yeah, I don't know if this has ever been cleaned. That's just disgusting. But, yeah, this is the air coming into your cabin, especially if you're asthmatic or you have allergies. It's a good idea to really clean that. Look how much crap's in there. That's insane. So, leave it there. We're going to throw that away and discard it. No more. Let's have a quick look back in here. Oh, there's leaves down. Just want to make sure the whole thing's clean before you put it back on. Hopefully there's no leaves in there. I think that's pretty good. Okay, I'm just going to go wash my hands before I go put in the clean ones. Just give me a tick. Okay. First of all, we have the K&N filter I think I filmed earlier. Hopefully I edited that in. So let's take this out. It's a nice new clean one. See it next to this one for observation purposes as well. I think we'll open this. It's already been pre-sprayed and prepped. yeah, I don't know if that's actually showing up in the sun, but the flow arrow is just here. Alright, so let's take this off and stick it in. Plastic box. Okay, nice and clean. There's the airflow again, so we're just going to spray down on top of it with some freshener, make it smell nice, and this is for when we have to take it out and clean it. Obviously, this is a reusable washable filter, so that's what we use that one for, so we'll stick that back in the box until necessary. Okay, I'll just give this one a spray. Greasy. There we go, smells nice. Alrighty, just one tick. Alright, so we're back in the car. Stick it in there. Not sit on my keys, airflow goes down, so now we just slide it in like an old VCR cartridge. It's getting a bit bright here, I can't see. You see it flips like that. Okay, I've got the cover that goes over it. And pushes in. And that seems to be it. Nice and tight. Now I'm going to need two hands to get the glove box back on, so just give me a moment. I'm just going to give this glove box a wipe down before I put it back in, just so it's extra clean, so I'll be back shortly. Okay guys, here's the glove box, just so we'll give it a wash while it was out of the car. It just looked a bit grotty. It looked pretty clean, but then you look at the tissue and the dirt that came off, it's pretty disgusting. So just if you need to, get some toothbrushes or a wooden toothpick and just get through all the edges here and just give it a good scrub. Very light touch with the sponge there as well, being that it's plastic. I'll give it a interior clean spray later on. That way we're just starting off with a new car. We know that it's all completely clean. Alright, so let's go stick it back in. Alright, we're back in here. We're going to try this again. I've got the damper back on its little plug. Gave it a quick wipe down through here as well. Just once you start cleaning, yeah, you just never stop, you know how it is. Alright, we're going to need two hands to stick this back in, I think. So just give me one moment. Okay, got it back in there. You can see the little damper clip. Just push that back on here. Clip that back on. Make sure it's reseated up here. Push the two clips back in there. And nice and closed. Installed.